everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy that would actually help you to have those baby skin, baby face, using lemon and other natural remedy. Okay, now this is actually very helpful and I love it because I love the way it feels on my skin. Okay, and you are going to be loving this because it's actually going to scrub out all of those dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and a more newer skin and making you look like a baby. Okay guys, so don't forget to thumbs up the video, turn on that post notification and subscribe. Now let me take you right into the video. So for that baby skin and lavishing a young and a more glowing beautiful skin, you're going to be adding some of this into your lemon to get that flawless, youthful, younger and a radiant, delicious skin. You're going to be needing bao oil. Have you actually used bao oil before? Many people use bao oil to get rid of stretch marks and all of that. Some people actually use it to mix in their cream. Well, bao oil is actually very helpful. It will help so much to make your skin stay healthy, but you have to mix it up with something to be able to work really well. So we're gonna be needing just some little drop of bao oil. Okay, this is it, bao oil. Okay, so at least 1 teaspoon of bao oil is better. Okay guys, so you're going to be needing lemon. Lemon is citric in nature and it contains a whole lot of vitamin plus vitamin C, which helps to flourish and make your skin look brighter, more renewed, younger and more radiant. Okay, so we're gonna be needing just a little of this lemon. So we're gonna be cutting just a little lemon because this lemon contains a lot of juice. So we're gonna be pressing the juice into the bao oil, and then that's one of the things we're gonna be needing. You stir it all up. Okay guys, so to make that skin radiant, smooth, sparkling and be on top of the fire from afar, you're going to be needing this, and this is sugar. Now sugar has some little granite particles, okay, that helps to actually make your skin look younger. It scrub out dead skin cells, it radiates your skin, and it equally make your skin really glow. Now not only your face but your skin also. Okay, so you're gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of sugar in here, and then you stir it all up, and then you would not actually allow the sugar melt completely before you would use it. Okay, so now when it comes to scrubbing, you need baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is a lot softer, nicer, and it helps to scrub out dead skin cells, and it radiates the skin and make your skin look smooth and feel really young. So you're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and when you put baking soda into lemon, this is what it does. Like, it foams really well, just like this. Although the foaminess is gonna go down, but this is a whole lot and a very great ingredient to use for the skin, guys. Okay, so you stir it until the foaminess has gone down, and so you can actually see your ingredients very well and know that it is actually properly mixed, and it's going to be pretty thick, just like this. I don't know if you can see it because it's actually white. Yeah, look at that. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of is tomato. Now tomato helps so much to remove your large pores. Now when you have a large pores on the skin, it therefore make your skin look aged, rough, and it actually produces too much of oil, giving you some breakout and some whiteheads and all of that. Okay, so tomato helps to minimize your pores, and mixing it up with this beautiful ingredient will help so much to give you that baby skin, and it will help make your skin look beautiful, radiant. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting it. So however you want to do this, you can actually do it, be it blending. So we're gonna be putting my tomato into my very tiny blender, because my blender is tiny. So I'm actually not going to be putting in water, so that all of the juice from the tomato would do the goodness on the skin basically. So I'll blend. So you have to blend this really smooth, okay, so that you will not be having no particles when you are actually applying it onto your skin. So I'm going to be transferring the tomato into the bowl, and then I would have to mix the ingredients all up together, and it's gonna be a little foamy. Okay, so this is it. And yes guys, you can actually use this treatment for your skin, on your body, basically on your hands, and you can actually use it on your face. Now before you actually use it on your body, okay, let's say for instance you want to use it on your body, and this is actually my body. You grab your water, okay, and then you wet your body. Now if you're actually in a bathroom, you would have to pour water on your body first of all, okay. Now the essence in which you pour water on your body is so that when you actually apply this treatment, it would actually work very fast, okay. Now this is actually going to help you to soften out your skin, the water, and then you follow suit with the ingredients. Now you grab the ingredients really much, and then you apply it onto your skin, not just your hands, your face, your body. Wherever you want to apply this ingredient, you can basically just apply it. Now when you apply it, what you do is that you would have to try to massage it in a circular motion like this, in a circular motion like this. Okay, so you apply it onto your other skin, like your body, your face. You've actually seen me apply this ingredient onto my face. So today I'm literally going to be applying it just on my body, okay. So you massage it this way in a circular motion. You can see how shiny that actually makes my skin look, okay. The boar oil does a whole lot of miracle. See how it is. Now when I wash it off, the shininess is not going to go off, like, trust me. You can go try this and see how it helps your skin glow like magic, okay. All right, so you would have to scrub it in a circular form motion like this, okay. So afterwards, then you can wash it off with a normal water or warm water, whichever one you want to use, guys. You can actually use it to scrub it all out, okay. scrub out those dead skin cells, renew your skin, and your skin is going to be soft like that of a baby skin, okay? And that is actually going to help you so freaking much, okay? You scrub like that. I'm loving it. It feels really good on my skin, and I love the way it is, okay? So you scrub it this way, and then you go wash it. Remember to scrub your pants so that it will definitely be soft, because you know no nigga wants to touch some strong hands. So you scrub it out, let it be soft, okay? So after that you go wash it off and you're good. Okay guys, so you can actually repeat this treatment, like let's say up to 3 times in a week, or you can actually just make it and apply it every day, you know, and your skin would glow like magic. Your skin will be so glowing. Your skin will be so it will look really smooth like that of a baby's skin. Okay, so that's it guys. You know, using lemon on the skin is the bomb, guys. It is actually helpful. Now you can actually make this and, you know, store it in the refrigerator because there's no preservative, okay? And then you use it for a few number of days and it's going to be really amazing. All right guys, so that's it. If you do find this video interesting and helpful, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys.